finally done. Just drink some coffee and just shut the laptop. Oh, uh-oh. Oh no. This is not good. Oh, we just gotta wait for the children. I dropped my coffee. It's all over the floor. I need a mop. Janitor! Janitor Bob!
Well,
We need a mop for spilled coffee.
I'm sorry. I'm having my break for about 2 hours. I can't come there until the end of science class. I'm sorry, Miss. Michaela, is that your name?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm sorry. I can't.
Special coffee drinking time. Now, just wait for the students to fill in. I am the first one, finally. Oh. Here's my desk. Now we must pay attention in science class. There's a pop quiz tomorrow. I heard that from janitor Bob. He said, y'all kids better be getting ready. There's pop quiz tomorrow.
I'm coming in with my juice box. Oh God, I just dropped it. Well,
I just got a stamp.
I finished it anyway. Just gonna throw it in the in the garbage can, or else janitor or else janitor Bobby is. We'll have to have a big job. Oh God, the name Bobby is so funny. Well, this says Autumn on it. So,
His nickname is Janitor Bob.
well, his real name is Janitor Bobbyus.
Well, that's nothing to laugh about.
Yeah, I know, but Bobbyus means bootyus. Beautiful. I'm just kidding. I just gotta be in class today. Just gotta be okay. Yeah.
Just got in from art class.
I got.
What? Where you're putting your scissors? You almost cut my notebook.
Oh. I wonder who's coming in after Brittany. Okay.
Brittany, is it? Brittany, like the French.
What?
I was just in French class, and there was a famous singer named Brittany Rappel.
What?
Brittany Rappel.
Well, this is actually, are you doing extracurricular before school activities?
Yes.
Okay, because this is the first class. Okay, just gotta get my notebook, my water. What are you doing?
I'm laughing at Brittany because she's drinking glue.
That's a Capri Sun.
No, it's glue.
What is wrong?
It's glue.
What is wrong with you? That's poisonous toxin.
My art teacher said you had to taste glue
No,
to see
she
if
means,
it's good.
Oh, God. She means test it out.
I have poisoned myself. Let me sit down.
Is that a prank? Lacey, I see what you did to your hair. It looks like a rat's tail. What? Well, at the end,
It kind of does.
at the
Looks
end,
like
it
a
sticks.
sewer rat.
You're mean. I'm just kidding, Lacey.
Yeah.
But just the end, it looks a little longer. Fuck
Split
hell.
ends.
Oh, I thought you meant like I was a rat and my hair was my tail. It's mean.
No.
Where's my seat? Which one says Lacey Cunningham?
Which one says Camilla Rogers? Oh, I found that it's right next to Carly Benedict. Here is.
Hi, I'm here! Anya, it's the middle of summer. Why are you wearing that fluffy jacket? Because I feel like it.
Where is Kelsey Ramirez?
It's Kelsey Swift.
Oh, whoops. I'm so sorry about that.
What is wrong with you?
I forget my last name. Sometimes it's a disorder.
No, it's because our parents once divorced.
And my last name was once Ramirez.
Mine was too.
Are you poking me with your hair?
No, my hair just grows and not waste. I'm just gonna turn my desk. The fifth Miss McKilla. I'm here.
Sorry, I had to sneeze.
Your sneeze sounds so funny, Kaylee. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, sorry about that, Autumn. I knocked your drink down, but it's just so funny.
I don't see what's funny.
How you sneeze? It's like, oh, that's what I hear every day when the snot flies around. Petrie. Oh, God. Oh, okay. We're just waiting on 3 students, I believe.
Yeah, one of them's my bestie. Bestie Caitlin.
I'm here. I just had to do a little makeup touch-up
Oh,
in the
that's great.
bathroom.
Just,
Oh.
Oh, gosh, Janitor Bobbius. Autumn, anything funny?
No, I just am playing replaying
You're planning
Kaylee.
on killing someone?
No, I'm replaying Kaylee's sneeze in my head because it sounded a little funny. I don't know if I understand that. I'm here. The British Baker is here. Don't you like my new
Elsia?
raincoat?
Thank you for actually wearing your costume to Cultural Day.
Nobody else is.
Yes,
Is it not Cultural Day?
it is cultural. Brittany's wearing a England one as well.
Oh, I'm a British baking woman.
Anya
also my new ring.
says she's from Antarctica.
No, I'm Swedish. Anya, you're from LA. Shut it. Not to be from Sweden. For your information, it's Sweden, not Swedish.
Janitor Bobbius!
Stop.
I dropped my coffee again.
That was an empty cup. I think it's time
No,
to
it's
start
not
attendance.
empty.
It's time to start attendance.
Correct. Kaylee. Here. Autumn.
Right over here.
Anya. Elsia.
Here.
Carly. Here. I am from the soap opera.
What?
Camila. Present. Chelsea.
Present.
Kelsey. Here. I am also from the soap opera. Caitlin.
Present, miss.
Lacey.
Right over here, miss.
Brittany. Here. Camila. Here.
You already said her name.
What did you say?
Nothing. I didn't say anything. That was Lissy. Aren't you gonna call the rest of the names?
Elsia.
Right over here, Miss.
I've called everyone.
No, you haven't.
Kayla.
I'm late! Oh no, I'm so late. Oh God. Oh no, the only one stand.
Delicious coffee.
Oh, there's only one seat left. Ah! Oh, here it is.
That's your assigned seat, Kayla. You don't get to pick your seat. So sorry for that inconvenience.
Ew, are you squeaking out farts? No.
This coffee is so good.
Are we gonna start on science or not?
After I finish my speech on coffee. Coffee is a delicious
Okay, it's done.
plant grown from the cultures of Peru and shipped here, and us teachers drink it to keep us going with your child craziness.
Excuse me, can we learn science?
Fine. Okay, we are learning planets today.
Oh, hey.
And first planet is Mercury. Everyone say Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury. Mercury. Mercury.
Marketiti.
Who said that?
Anya!
Anya, it's Mercury, not Mercutiti.
Oh,
TT needs pee.
ma'am, I think you'll need to come closer. Anya can't see you because she needs glasses. Ma'am.
Huh? What?
You're recording our science lesson and you're ruining it.
Oh, yes.
Go in the frame. Okay, thank you.
Corona, lady.
Guys, let's just continue with
Janitor Marius!
Stop dropping your coffee. We only have a limited amount of time.
Yeah, Miss Michaela. So stop dropping your darn coffee on the floor. Everyone write down Mercury.
Mercury. Onion, you don't have to say it out loud. You big fat onion. Oh.
Anya's a big onion. Janitor Marius.
His name is Janitor Bob. Will you stop calling him Janitor Bobius?
His real name is Bobius.
I don't care. His name is Janitor Bob. Oh God.
I just fixed myself.
Can we learn more about the planets now?
But I still have to write Mercury.
How long
And
does
draw a
it take you?
picture with my curly writing. Mercury.
What?
My sneezes again.
Oh, Kaylee, you sneeze too much.
I have corona. Kaylee has corona. Okay, next planet is Venus. Everyone write down Venus.
Venus. Aren't we supposed to say it first?
Venus. Say Venus.
Venus.
Venus. Oh, I gotta
I'm
write it
writing it a
multiple
million times.
Okay. Anya, what's the next planet?
The next planet I I think is Mars.
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
I
yes,
know
it
my
is.
planets, Miss Michaela. You don't. Ah.
oh.
You drew it incorrectly on the board.
Sorry.
You drew it
Autumn.
very incorrect.
Autumn, what's next?
The next planet is Earth.
Correct.
What are we going to learn
Correct.
next? I
Write
have
it-
to write down
Write
Earth.
it down.
Earth, Earth, Earth. Earth, the Earth.
Earth. Write down Earth.
We already wrote that down, Miss Michaela.
Next planet.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Anya, you're dismissed to go to the bathroom.
Yay!
Anya?
The
please-
bed.
Anya, don't get sent to detention again for exploring the bathroom.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but they're interesting. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom now. Doo-doo-doo, Daddy.
Anya, please don't go exploring the men's bathroom.
Can I go exploring the women's?
No, you may pee and then leave.
Oh, well, I have to poop.
Well, then you may poop and leave.
What about washing my hands and flushing the toilet?
You may do what you have to do in the bathroom and not go exploring.
Let me get my safari cap. Anya, can we just continue learning about the planets?
Yes. Next planet. Lacey.
Jupiter!
Correct. No. Yes.
Yes, it's correct. I studied my planets last night.
Kelsey. Next planet. Saturn.
I agree.
Correct. Write it down.
Saturn and Big Fat and Jupiter. Reminds me of someone, but I can't quite place her. Whatever.
Isabella.
Maybe. She's a gas giant too.
That is very rude.
But she does. She farts in her sleep and she farts in the night and she farts all day. She's probably farting and blowing up the bathroom at this very moment. Okay.
Everyone.
What?
Cold call.
Oh gosh.
Elsia. Next one.
The next planet is Uranus.
Correct.
Hee 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 hee. Next. Who's going to say
Kayla?
the next planet? Me? Neptune.
Correct. And Carly, what was considered a planet but is not now?
Poopa.
I mean Pluto. Correct.
I'm back from the bathroom. Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh yeah, you've missed the whole lesson.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Well, I know all the planets in order.
Can
Try
you
me.
state them?
Oh, yes, I can. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto was considered a planet.
Thank you, Anya. I
But
didn't
it's
know
not
you
anymore.
excelled at any other subject other than history.
Okay, that is just messed up.
Well, class dismissed.
Okay. Whee!